Hello, my name is Fabian, and I am a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker. Today, I will show you our Cub Cadet high-end product, the Z9 100A3ID. With such a machine for professional users, it is of course important that it is particularly stable and durable, offers a high level of comfort and works very efficiently. Let's start with the robust 3-blade mowing deck made of welded steel. To endure the most demanding conditions, the mowing deck has an enormous material strength and additional reinforcements. Maintenance-free spindles with a cast aluminum housing, as well as maintenance-free belt pulleys are built in, resulting in less downtime. The mower has deck rollers on the sides and front of the deck, as well as adjustable rollers for lawn strips at the rear end. Deck adjustment to 16 possible positions, as well as deck activation, is effortless, electric at the touch of a button. And the 182-centimeter cutting width makes the machine an incredibly effective tool for large meadows and lawns. Let's move on to the engine. Kawasaki's FX Series twin-cylinder engine is a real beast, with 999 cubic centimeters and a maximum output of just under 33 HP. Kawasaki describes the engine as being constructed from high-quality components and materials for large-scale lawn care, for performance and durability at the highest level. Furthermore, it is worth mentioning that it is a so-called E-FI engine with electronically controlled fuel injection, which is an additional guarantee for good and stable performance and also leads to relatively low fuel consumption. Before we talk about the comfort of the machine, a few facts and fast forward. The two large tanks hold a total of 68 liters of fuel, can be controlled individually, and the machine is E10 compatible. The maximum driving speed is just under 20 kilometers per hour in forward gear and approx 10 kilometers per hour in reverse gear. The drive is via two separately controlled hydrostat transmissions. The machine is delivered with a mulching kit included as standard and has a rear hitch. And for increased safety, the Z9 has a rollover protection as well as a seat belt. As already mentioned, I would also like to go into a little more detail about the comfort. Worth mentioning in this context are the power steering and the adjustable steering column. The most important feature here, however, is the high-quality, padded premium seat, which can, of course, be individually adjusted to the size and weight of the operator. The seating position can be easily adjusted by operating a small lever. In addition, the angle of the backrest can be set on an adjustment wheel. It comes standard with padded and individually adjustable armrests. The seat suspension can be easily adjusted to individual preferences and needs by means of a small toggle switch. And for even more comfort, the seat has the option of lumbar support. From the numerous comfort features, let's move on to efficiency and one of the most spectacular features of the mower, our patented synchro steering system. Since the steering system and the drive of the individually controlled rear wheels are synchronized, our zero-turn models with steering wheel impress with the same maneuverability as models with conventional steering levers. An additional plus is the fact that the front wheels do not just tag along, but are controlled by the steering system. Due to the combination of the steering system with the dual tires, which not only provides good traction and protects the lawn, but also offers additional stability on slopes, the Z9 100A3ID offers the impressive capability of mowing on slopes of up to 25 degrees or 46%, which further extends the machine's possible range of use. Efficiency, durability, and a high level of comfort. What more could you desire? As proof of our confidence in the durability of the Pro Z models, we offer a 3-year warranty, or up to 1,000 operating hours, for both private users and commercial use. I am convinced of our great products. If you want to see for yourself, feel free to contact your local dealer and give it a try.